Satnam, and welcome to practice Kundalini Yoga with me. My name is Surya Sivchot Kaur, and today we will do a Kriya to reset the brain's electromagnetic field. So we all have electromagnetic field around us. And when this field is very strong, we have a very uplifting presence. And this field works like a shield. It attracts positivity and it repels negativities. And in those moments when we feel very low, when the light inside us is very dim, then also our electromagnetic field is very weak. And in these moments, the field doesn't protect us from the negativities in outside or the negativities inside your own patterns and thoughts. But when we do practices on a regular basis, like yoga, meditation, pranayama, or just simple practices of kindness in everyday living, or humility in everyday living, this will create a beam of light inside us. And this Kriya will create like an electric charge inside your body. And this electric charge will create more strong electromagnetic field around you. And when you have that strong field around you, it protects you, but it also gives you this presence that is fulfilling, that is connected to the truth, that is connected to that feeling of belonging, into that feeling of recognizing something that is beyond this physical realm. So let's start this practice by coming into a cross-legged, comfortable position where the spine is tall. I'm here with my friend Damien, who will be practicing with you. And in this practice, we have a mudra. So the mudra is like this. It's like a lion's paws. So very stiff fingertips, slightly bent. And this mudra will create a reflex from the fingertips to each and every area in your brain, to awaken your brain. And we extend the arms parallel to the ground. And on every exhale, we cross the arms above the head, inhaling them back parallel to the ground and exhaling the arms crossing other way. And this movement of the hands will create better circulation for your lymphatic systems, so that the body will create more healthy circulation and fight the toxins. Also creating much stronger immune system that is very, very needed nowadays. So let's start by extending the arms parallel to the ground. We will do this practice for 3 minutes only. And creating those lion's paws and starting by connecting to that inner nature, closing the eyes, and start with exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Keep going, keeping the eyes closed. And as the eyes are closed, you can draw them in and up to the third eye center, keeping that connection inward. Meditative mind, still mind. And you can repeat the mantra Satnam, and you can find that mantra from the breath. So we're increasing that voltage of electricity in your body right now. And when you stay committed, when you keep going, when you keep up without giving up, you increase that voltage. And in your body there is about 50 trillion cells. And each cell is like a battery. So all together in your body there is approximately 700 trillions of voltages of electricity right now. And we're creating more so that the light can be more bright. Keep going. Powerful breath. When the breath is deep, it's very clearing. It's clearing out what you receive from the outside world and what do you project. What you carry in your electromagnetic field is very magnetic. It affects to everybody around you. It's like cleaning your house, like letting go of the toxins and the waste products from your house, so that the landscape of your own inner temple is purified. Keep going. When it becomes difficult, it becomes so powerful. When the mind wants to give up, tune into your heart. And when we give up, we create that strength in the nervous system. And at the moment, we are creating and changing the state of your nervous system, allowing the pituitary gland, the pineal gland, to create a connection inside your brain, and thus creating a connection to your whole glandular system. A little bit more. And keep going with the hands and stick your tongue out. Exhale comes powerfully through the mouth. We stay here for a few seconds only, keeping it up. And take a deep full breath in, extend the arms up, hold. Hold the breath in with Mula Bandha. The muscles in the perineum are sealed in and up so that the energy can rise through the crown of the head, creating a connection in between you and your divinity, in between you and infinity. Exhale, release the hands slowly, softly on your knees, and just stay in stillness. Notice what you notice at the level of your sensations. What is moving inside you? Allow the breath to become soft and natural. Create a mind that is resting in awareness. Awareness of your inner body. Gently place your left hand on the heart center and the right hand on top of it. Keep the eyes closed and just tune into your heart's essence, into the blossomings of your heart, into the softness of your heart, which is not holding any armors, not any masks. The essence of the heart is not pretending to be something or fighting the reality. It's just in its soft acceptance, in its soft nurturing presence. And let yourself shower in that energy of your heart that is so kind, that is so humble, that is so real and accepting. And this humble kindness just keeps loving. It doesn't choose who it loves, but it lights up everybody and everything that comes across its way. And it radiates all around you, not only inside you, but its prayers and magnetism is radiating out through your magnetic field, through your aura. 360 degrees of you in the vibration of LOVE. Feel its purity and let it shine out through you for everybody that you meet today. Let it shine to every thought that you think today. Let it shine through every action that you take today. From that place of natural silence of the heart, let's place the palms in prayer. Thank you for practicing with me. Have a blessed and beautiful day. Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam.